This is video 2 of 9 East 6th Street in Blades or Seaford. So you can see here I'm standing at the front door, the threshold to the front door of the house. When we walk in, immediately we're in the living room, which is very quaint. It does have a textured ceiling fan. So cute little living room. I'll walk over here to this corner so I can pan around again. And as I get to this corner, you see the front window of the house. There's the front door that we entered through, and the living room there. Immediately beyond the living room is the kitchen. To my right, and immediately as I enter, there's a pantry closet, which is very nice. And then if I pan around into the room, you see that the kitchen opens onto the deck. It is large enough to have a small dining table in here. As I move over to the right side of the kitchen, there's yet another pantry space here, which is very nice. And then panning back, you can see it has Formica countertops. It does have a shelf built in for the microwave, an older hood above the stove. Stove's super basic. These are painted oak cabinets. It looks like sort of a homeowner special painting them, but they're in nice condition. But it's certainly not the best paint job over time. That might need to be redone, but you could certainly handle that. Then panning back around the room, I'm standing in front of the stove now. This gives us a real good idea of the kitchen space. Behind the kitchen space, there's a utility room, and that's where your washer dryer are. So that's the side door of the house that we saw in video number 1. And then you've got a washer dryer here. Now they did put a chest freezer, which is kind of blocking that cabinet or that closet back there. And then as I pan around, you can see back into the kitchen. And that concludes video number 2.